My name is Emmanuel Omale. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be doing a continuation of index, notation, and function. So we'll be taking more examples on laws of indices. And the first example I'll be taking here is this 27 raised to the power of minus 2 over 3. Remember, we said something about negative index. In the previous video that I did, I talked about negative index. Simply means that this your negative sign here will become 1 over 27 raised to the power of 2 over 3. So you now solve for this. So, and this function becomes 1 over, remember, we are dealing with the fraction here, meaning that we are taking the third root of 27, everything raised to the power of what? 2, which becomes 1 over third root of 27. Simply what you multiply by itself 3 times to give you 27, and that answer is 3. So this becomes 3 raised to the power of 2. Then your answer will become 9, 1 over 9. So let's take another example. Example 2. You have, let's say 64 raised to the power of 5 over 6. So this is not hard. So what this simply means is that you will take the sixth root. That means what you multiply 6 times to give you 64. Then everything raised to the power of 5, which becomes 2 raised to the power of 5. And the answer is 32. So let's take another example that has to do with fraction. So let's say example 3. 16 over 81. Everything raised to the power of 3 over 4. Remember, it's still the same thing. So what you simply do is take the take the fourth root of 16 over 81. Everything raised to the power of 3. So which becomes the fourth root of 16 is actually 2 over the fourth root of 81 is actually 3. So everything raised to the power of what? 3. So this becomes 2 raised to the power of 3 over 3 raised to the power of 3. So it becomes 8 over 27. That is the answer. Then let me take one more example. So example 4. You have 16 over 81, but this time around with a negative sign, meaning that you have minus 3 over 4. Remember, this becomes 1 over 16 over 81 raised to the power of 3 over 4. So if you can, from example 3, remember we have solved 16 over 81, everything raised to the power of 3 over 4, which gives us 8 over 27. So from here, it's going to be 1 over 8 over 27. Please, you can go back to know how to solve this. So it becomes 1 over 8 over 27. 1 over 8 over 27. So from here, there are ways I do it sometimes. I simply put it as 1 divided by 8 over 27 to make things easy. So which becomes 1. This one is just like 1 over 1. What, anything 1 over 1 gives us 1. So in order to, I'll just do reciprocal of this fraction here, meaning that I'll just say multiply by, I'll just take my 27 up and bring my 8 down. So which becomes 1 times 27, which becomes 27 over 1 times 8, which is 8. So the answer is actually 27 over 8. But looking at example 4, looking at example 3, because there was no negative sign, that is the reason why the answer was 8 over 27. So the answer is just the reciprocal of the same number here. Thank you very much. Please click on the subscribe button, like, comment, and also share. Thank you.